Hello everyone. So I finished with the sewing around these and I wanted to enhance them a bit because some of them did not turn out as great as I wanted it to. So that one don't really need anything. This one I think is missing something. This one I need to put something in front of this giraffe. I think that one's good. This one, I feel like something could go there. This one's good. This one's good. And then these tinier tags. But these few definitely need a little something. So I'm just going to dump this out and see what we can come up with. No. No. That seems about right. I know now I'm using my art glitter glue, but I think that will hold it a little better. There we go. So that one's done. Cute little pocket. Add this piece to it. Again, I'm just trying to hide that giraffe a little bit here. There we go. Again, it just gives it a little added accent, but at the same time, I know I added many more layers to this, but that's okay. Sometimes that's what you need, is to just add some layers to it. That would be kind of cute, but what about something like this? No. Yes. Not everything has to be perfect. As I said, some of them plainer spots that just looked like they were out of place a little. There. Just gives it some added pizzazz there. This cute little label, a banner label, but still. Just ties that together. Something that would tie this area together. Yeah, I'm just adding and adding and adding, it seems like, but sometimes that's what you have to do, is add, create more. So there we go. Now look, we are done with this set of pieces. I'm going to put this ephemera away. I know this was a quick video, but again, the only way you learn more about what to do. I mean, I did sew it, or sew these before I started adding on again. So, I mean, they look so gorgeous. They're different than my norm. Again, and that was the point, was to have these pieces that didn't look like my norm. Maybe we should add with our pieces that are, this is 3.5 inches, but that'll work. That's a journaling card. That should be a tag. These are pockets. So now I'm just gonna grab some pieces and let's use this actually. So I have this nice coffee dyed stuff here, and all I'm doing is taking it and stapling it and then cutting it off at the back. Get these a little bit more finished looking. because I have a habit of making tags and then forgetting all about adding this part. And this part, I honestly think, is what makes a tag a tag. You don't necessarily have to have the tags with the angles. You can have rectangle tags like these. So, I mean, they do add a little, but not everything has to be perfect. And I did do the blind eye way that a lot of artists, or not artists, but other people are doing right now. The blind tags and stuff like that. The only thing I did not do blind, I made it into 3 inches. I knew that was what I wanted. So I did not cut this with a blind die because I knew I put this at the edge of a piece of paper for that reason. And then I cut it down to size at 8.5. So it would work perfectly for in my journal. So I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.